Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and you might notice I'm on a new horse, thanks to Cadence Mouseheart for helping me with this. So a big thanks to her. When I got the star coins, I had no idea what to do with them. I knew I wanted to buy a horse, but I had no idea which horse. So I asked her to help, and now we are matching horses and even matching tack. So just a big thanks to her. Um, so I'm just gonna start training her. Oop. Bless you. Sorry, that was my mom sneezing. So just again, a big thanks to Cadence Mouseheart for helping me. I really love the gaits on this horse. I really love the coloring. Oh, look at the trot. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, look at the slow gallop. Oh my gosh. Oof, I just ran into a fence. Oh, look at this big club over here. Look at this big club over here. Yeah, all frost titans. Well, I'm going to start training this beauty, and I'll see you guys in another video. I will start recording again when this beauty is almost fully trained, or when this beauty is worked on training. So, bye guys. I hope you had a wonderful night, or night because it's night where I am. But yes, goodbye.